Namaste. My name is Zimra. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak how to make new friends. Today we have lesser friends and more virtually friends through the internet, through the social media, and so on. And normal case, we need more friends and not these virtually friends. We need to be social connected with our personality that we can touch that person. And if you try out our new Facebook friends, to connect with them, to see them, to 90% it will not work out. So this is very superficial, the connection on Facebook. Everybody wants to show how great he is and not how he is in reality. So older we grow, so more difficult it becomes. That is also normal. So we are more afraid to have the wrong friends, and we are more selective. When we are on vacation, then it's easier to connect with new people. And when we come home, our new friends stay far away from us. And again, we need friends in our locations and not far away. It's even easier to get a passionate love affair than to make good new friends. Because with love, it is so that we connect with our senses and not so much with our mind. So our mind cannot come in the way. We then more open. So how we should do it? Do it blind. Okay, you have moved to a new location and you don't know many people. And I've done this also. And then my family had known some people living close to me and who had been relatives for me. And so I should connect with them. So I picked up the phone, stuttering like crazy, and then I could connect. It's not so damn difficult. The easiest way is my way, share your hobbies. Just go to an event or be a member of a club, what doing this thing what you like. And then to connect to these people is much easier. The other thing is we all know very many people, but not personally. So then ask just personal question to connect and find out, is there some common things, hobbies or interests, what you can share with that other person. Look at your neighbors and so on. Just instead to say just hello, ask something more. Or the next thing is goal setting on party. So we're coming to a new party, and I've done it also always. And then we want to meet as much as possible new people. And at the end, we have no connection at all. Just limit us to 3 people so that we can find at least one personal friend on one party. I mean, maximum meet 3 people, 3 new people, not more. The next thing is connect with a smile. Even I don't do it, but many people doing it with me, and then they connect with me. It works. And then they bubble something, and then we get connected, and they say just hello and how are you? Something weird, and I'm really an introvert, so I have to react. And then they try to hook me, and this working. This is working. I don't know how they do it, but it will work. The next thing is just be open to all kinds of people. This means there are some people you don't like, or they are freaks, or they have different clothes on, or they have different race or different religion. I don't care. No, we are open for it. Then something amazing can happen. Okay. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.